thought my radio stopped working.
We're still fighting the radiator back there. It's leaking a little bit, so meanwhile we have to see if this thing even runs after we hacked all that wiring and got the fuel pump and tank up on the roof. I don't hear the fuel pump running in the tank. Okay, it is definitely not powering on anything in the tank.
I'm gonna attempt to hotwire our fuel pump. Wish me luck.
Don't start it, there's gas everywhere.
We're leaking fuel profusely.
I think he didn't hook up a return line, and so it's just puking out of it. Now I think it's siphoning out of the tank, so I'm pinching it off. But it's still pouring.
Fuel leak. My detective eyes say Sawzall got that at some point. I blame myself. Should be fixed now though. Let's try again.
It's gonna fire right up. Yeah!
Look at that. Our fuel pump is now hardwired directly to our battery, and it's grounded to our clamp.
What's that noise?
I don't know, but it ain't getting any better. What did you do?
I don't know. I understand how we get stuff out of the junkyard and it's not flawless. Oh, it's fixed.
All good. It just needed to right itself.
All right, your half of this program is set.
We should go test drive this with all 6 wheels.
Oh yeah. This is gonna be great. I have a problem. I just shot brake fluid all over the back of your car. Oh yeah, cutting the hood off. Someone killed the brake line. How's your brakes feel?
Present?
Okay, then we're good. All braking is on you.
10-4. Big clunk. Oh, it's working.
Okay, stop. Go forward. I'm in drive. Oh man, this is so funky.
I don't know whether to like yell
or run in fear.
This is so strange.
Okay, I'm no longer on the brakes.
We are idling in unison, like
Bald eagles in flight. Left turn, go.
Seems to work.
Oh, no. Stop, Mark. Oh my God, that was so close. You nearly ran me into a tractor.
All right, reverse.
I don't know about this donut thing.
Okay, tell you what, I'm gonna go reverse and you go forward.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. It's spinning! This is awesome!
This is genius! This is the greatest thing ever! Oh my God, that's incredible! Okay, stop. I gotta shut mine off, it's gonna explode. You might want to get out quickly. Look at that. That was fun.
We did this. Wow.
That was the most unique donut we've ever done.
Yeah.
We gotta cut the back off. The back is holding me up.
We were doing this. It was synchronized. It was beautiful. It could only get better by cutting half of his car off. Yes. That's what we'll do.